Okay, so the
whoa,
next one.
Whoa.
Why are you shouting? Hi guys, hello guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Daodu and Esther here again. And yeah, if you're new here, you know what to do. Hit the subscribe button, guys. Subscribe to our channel. And yeah, today we are bringing you guys another interesting video. We're going to be doing a try on haul today. I am going to be doing a try on haul actually. Yeah. So he is going to be rating my outfit. How are you going to be doing it? Over what?
Actually, I think it should be 10. I think it should be 10, yeah.
Over 10, okay. So 10, yeah. He's going to be rating my outfit over 10, you know. He's going to be telling me which outfit is good and not cool.
Judge.
He's going to be the judge. So I got some clothes from Shein and FASHIONNOVA, so I'm going to be trying them on. So you guys can also judge me. You can leave your comments down below, rate the outfit and all that. Yeah guys, so let's move right into the video. And yeah, so
okay.
Oh yeah, this is first outfit. What is all this now?
I'm trying to check the outfit out now.
Okay, so this one, I got this one guys from Shein. Yeah, this is, what's it called? It's a denim.
Yeah,
denim gown, or I don't know. Pinafore, right? Okay. So
is pinafore even like this? Is it like
I don't know.
Is that an English word?
I don't know what it is, but
anyhow, it's in Nigeria. Those that know pinafore, this is pinafore.
So I got this from Shein. So what do you think about it?
Actually I like the clothes. It's very casual. It's very casual. Yeah, very casual, cool. With I think with a nice sneakers or a nice filler, you should be able to kill it.
I said give me 5, they're giving me.
With a nice filler, you should be able to kill it off. Like it's going to be.
Yeah, I like it, guys.
Cool, I know. Okay. So for me, I think I'll give it a 9.
A 9?
Yeah.
Wow, over 10.
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't think any of your clothes will get a 10. Don't. I don't like rating 10. So.
Are you serious? Yeah. Don't be wicked.
I'm not mean. I'm like my Nigerian lecturer, so it's like it's a 9.
Yeah, I actually love this.
So you should take the 9 as 10. Indirectly, boys.
Babe, you should rate up to 10. Don't come with that. Don't come with that.
Tonight. For me, tonight.
Yeah, so I really love this one. It's really casual and just easy to go, just wear and then you're out. So next outfit. You cool with this one?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, totally.
Next outfit. Okay. So what do you think about this one? This is the next outfit.
It's cool.
Yeah, but
cool.
It's already cool.
I don't know. It's cool,
but.
It's okay, not bad. Yeah, it's casual for normal outing.
Yeah, I got these guys from Shein. Yeah.
But it would have been cool if it's like strapless bra or something.
Oh, it's a strapless bra. That's true.
Yeah, it would have been cool if it's like is it strapless, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, just half, then it would have been more cool. So you don't have like double straps.
So you don't fashion like this.
Come on.
Okay, so you're really right.
Yeah, so it would have been cool if it's like just the handle of this thing, not the bra strap.
Not the bra strap.
Yeah.
Okay, no.
But it's also cool, yeah.
Noted.
I'll give it a 7.
I give it a 7.
6, 7, 6, 7, 6, 7. I think 7 should be okay.
A 7. I like it as well, but my problem is that I would really have preferred if it had like a pocket. It doesn't have
now
pocket.
6.
You've written it already.
I didn't pick the pocket part before, so now you told you shouldn't have said anything.
I just said what I think about it.
6. I changed my mind. 6.
Okay guys, please rate this jumpsuit below. Okay, so
yeah, it's cool, but 6. I think it's 6.
Bye. So the next one is this. Okay, so what do you think about this one?
I actually like the blazer. I like the blazer.
The blazer is from FASHIONNOVA.
Yeah, you didn't tell them where you got it.
Oh guys, so this blazer is from FASHIONNOVA and the inner top is from Shein. So Shein
how about
and
how about the pant?
I don't know where I got this one from, but
Uniqlo. Okay, but it doesn't matter.
so yeah. So what do you think about it?
Actually, I think the this looks more official.
Yeah,
It looks official.
Official,
But I think you can also wear it out.
yeah,
like,
definitely.
Yeah, I think you can also wear it out like for a date, dinner. Dinner, is it cool? Yeah.
For a date dinner.
For
I
a
can
date
actually
lunch
go,
kind of,
you
yeah, I
just
think it's
wear
okay,
it out.
yeah.
It doesn't matter.
But it will be cool with a
Just a long
nice.
blazer.
To be cool with a nice heel. A nice heel shoes.
Yeah.
Very, very cool with nice heels. Not sneakers,
so.
not shoes. I don't think so.
No
But it
sneakers,
looks-
no
no
shoes.
sneakers, no shoes. But I think if you take the jacket off, then it should be okay. Just in summer probably.
Like take the jacket off
Yeah,
in summer.
and wear with
Just this
yeah,
Shein top
Yeah.
and this one.
and pants and
Yeah.
it's nice shoes should be okay.
The top is cool. This one is cool. This is what the back looks like.
Oh yeah, it's cool.
Yeah.
Not bad. Yeah, it's okay.
But it just really goes well with blazer.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So how should I rate it now? Should I rate?
So what's the rating for this one?
Should I rate the inside, the inside? Okay, for the inside, for the
For the top.
top and the jean, I think
Mm.
I'll go with 8.
8, right?
Yeah,
How about with the
I'll
blazer?
go with 8. Then with the blazer, I think that this should take 9, because it's official. I don't know. You can also wear it out though.
So
but-
where it out there?
Yeah, but I think 9 should be okay.
9 is cool. So
Yeah.
this is 9.
9, yeah.
Alright, next.
9. This should be 9. Yeah.
Okay. So next outfit. This one is from Shein. This inner I just got it here in Japan from Uniqlo.
Probably Uniqlo, yeah.
Yeah. But this is from Shein. So what do you think?
First of all, the material doesn't look attractive. It looks the material now doesn't
Okay,
look.
the
Yeah, the
material.
material doesn't look attractive.
Yeah, the material looks.
It looks very, 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 very cheap.
Yeah.
I don't know, very cheap.
I agree with you on that. It looks
Yeah,
really
the
cheap.
material
It's
looks
so
very cheap.
light.
But I think you shouldn't have gone with this color. You should probably have gone with white.
Yeah.
Yeah, you should
It
have
was
gone with
white they had on the page.
Yeah,
where
yeah,
it got
you
it
should have
from.
gone
But like
with
I don't
white.
have a white inner,
It's like
so
much better. But I think the color is also not bad. But the material doesn't look cool at all. It looks like an underwear material. It's like something you wear underwear. It's not something you wear.
it's just something okay.
Looks like an underwear material. Not really.
But like aside from the material, overall, what
Overall,
would you
my rating would be
rate?
4.
Huh?
4.
You rate it 4?
Yeah.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
I actually love the style behind it. If the material was okay, I actually love it.
I can do
That's
this
why I
style.
started.
This style is very cheap. If I just look for, if I combine like ladies underwear like 5, I just then I do.
It's okay, thanks. Thanks. We don't want to know how you.
I just look for one long rope like this.
The rope is so long.
See?
Like, but I
Trust
think that's the fashion of it. Like that's the beauty.
There's no fashion. There's no beauty in long ropes. Do you
It's
just need to hang somebody?
So you're really rating this one 4.
I'll give it a 4. The material doesn't look attractive. I don't know.
Yeah, the material looks really light. When
Texture itself, I don't know. It just looks somehow.
it looks somehow.
Don't worry. 4 is okay. 4 is fair enough. I think, right?
Okay, so
I didn't say 0. 4 is fair enough.
this one so far has like the lowest rating 4.
Yeah. For me.
Okay,
The
next
cloth looks
one.
funny. The cloth looks funny.
Guys, I got this from Shein. So what do you guys think? Boo, what do you think about this? Baby, spot everything. The way you're laughing, you're making me.
It looks like all these nurse in military. It looks like all these nurse in military. Like people that went for war and you guys are taking care of. You know these nurses in military now.
You're not serious.
Where do you intend on wearing this one?
Out with you.
Afghanistan. Tell me going to Afghanistan with this.
Are you serious, babe? This is really nice, though.
I don't think so. Okay.
What's your rating for
To be
this
said, it
one?
looks cool. The material doesn't look cool.
Yeah.
The
it
material
doesn't
doesn't look cool.
like it has so much polish.
Yeah, but I think it's something you can just wear in summer though. Probably that's why it's light.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah, it's okay. 6. a sharp 6.
A sharp 6.
A sharp 6.
Guys, how would you rate this outfit?
It's actually very cool. You guys don't get me. It's very cool with a nice sneakers, nice filler, nice yeah, Adidas. Anything should go on white. So precise. Should go on with it. So it's cool. It's not bad. Not bad. Yeah. What do you think about it? What do you think?
I don't know. Like, I'm wearing it for the first time now. Like when I saw it on the mirror first, I'm like, you have something to say about it.
Chloe looks funny. Susie, I don't know. It just looks funny somehow. But it's okay. She likes it. It's okay.
It's cool. I was actually thinking there were 2 colors there. There was green and this color.
I don't pick green to be honest. Don't pick green. Then you look like Nigerian nurse. Don't pick green.
Oh, yeah, it's over. It's okay. Thanks for the review. Okay. Yeah. Next one. Okay. So the next one.
Whoa!
Why are you shouting?
Look, this stuff is very. I don't know if it's a top. This gown is dope.
So guys, I got this one from FASHIONNOVA and I'm in love with the material. Like the name is so cool.
Dope as.
So what do you think?
As anything. It's very fresh, very cool. Don't let us go far. I'll give you the 10.
You give me the 10? Are you serious?
I'm breaking my rule. I'll give you the 10. Yeah. I'll give you the 10.
Wow. I really love it though, but that 10 you just gave it this. Let's give it 10. Yeah.
I'll give it the 10. I don't know. I'll give it the 10.
I love it. It goes with a sneaker. It goes with
anything.
heels,
Yeah,
whatever
anything,
you want to wear with it. It's so
I'll
nice.
give you the 10. It's dope. It's very cool.
Very dope.
Yeah. Oh, cool. Dope. I'm sure I had to break my rule for this one. Like 10. Like I had to give it 10. Like I had to give it 10. Like I'm even short of words. Like seriously, yeah, it's very cool.
You don't know
like,
what to say.
I don't know what to say. It's very cool. Yeah.
Okay, guys. So please rate this one also in the comment section. Do you think it's worth a 10? Like my baby just gave it. I really love it, and to me it is worth a 10. So
it's dope. Like it's very dope.
Hey, this is the next one.
Whoa, this is also cool.
This is nice.
Yeah, this is very cool too.
Okay, so guys, I got this one from FASHIONNOVA as well. The material is so nice. Like I have nothing to complain about. The texture of the gown is so nice to me.
So, very cool too. Yeah.
What do you think? What's your rating?
I think it's okay.
But
no, it's okay. I'll give it a 9. I'll give it a 9. I'll give it a 9.
Give it a 9.
Yeah, I think I'll give it a 9.
Like my only problem with this one, guys, is the neck.
Why?
Like after getting it, I just felt like, oh, why did I have to get it? Like the
turtleneck is very good now. I like the turtleneck. It's even the reason why it's even looking this dope. Yes, turtleneck.
I just felt like
it's cool.
Oh no, it's nice.
Yeah.
So you're giving this one a what?
A 9.
A 9.
A 9.
So kind of FASHIONNOVA is getting all the 9s and 10s.
Yes, now.
And Shein is getting the
5, the 6, the 4.
Okay, guys. So please rate this one down below in the comment section, and yeah, I guess this is the last one.
That's all.
So yeah.
How did I fare today? How was my rating?
You did well. The ones you rated down,
It's actually down.
Second you for you rating them down.
Yeah, most of them, it's not like they're bad.
Like
just
the one you said that it was like military, blah blah. When I wore it inside, I was like,
you had your own doubt.
I had a doubt. I just said, let me just wear it for the video. Anyone.
Yeah, it's cool though. It's cool. Very cool.
Yeah, we're done for the day.
Yep.
Alright guys, so we're done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and you enjoyed his rating. Okay, so if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, share, like, and yeah, subscribe.
Boom!
Subscribe. You did it again.
You want me to do boom again?
Subscribe. Oh baby, I give you cocoa.
You're coming late.
Okay guys, subscribe to our channel, and yeah, we see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.
Chop chop. Bye.